How's it going, folks? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech, but today we're going to have a look at this Stupididiotic brand cell block cell phone jail. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, for $10 you can leave the room with your phone unattended after putting it within the jail cell. Anyways, we flip this thing over and we see a quick description. The cell block téléphone cell phone jail. Are you always on your phone? If so, then you're guilty of disturbing the peace. As a result, your phone will be sentenced to hard time in jail inside the cell block. Your phone will do hard time while you spend your quality time with your family and friends. Yeah, let's see how that works. Anyways, let's get into this thing and see what's on the inside, shall we? Alright, I get this thing open, and it looks like some kind of build together for a G.I. Joe vehicle. Let's get it together. Ah, alright. We got the trap set and the jail cell set up. Now let's put some phones in here, take it upstairs, and see how long it takes the little bastards to get into it. You can hold everyone's cell phone in here. The lock is really cheap. All of it is really cheap, as you would expect. I could see this being sold for $3 and not $10. But still, now comes time for the test. Alright, Zoe. Yeah, that lasted about all of 30 seconds. She couldn't pry it open, and under suggestion of an adult, she tossed it at the floor, and blam! Without the suggestion of the adult to throw it on the floor, it might have gotten on by a little bit longer. This is definitely a lot of fun. Definitely the kind of thing that if you're around reasonable people, you don't have to worry about it. It's enough so that if you're trying to keep your boyfriend from seeing your mistresses, your male mistresses, you could keep it away from him while you went to the bathroom and not take your phone, perhaps, or while you were cooking or something like that. But anyways, not bad. Nice gag gift for $10. The cell block phone. And that's it from me, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Have a good one, folks, and take care of each other.